This is an easy headband. I used cotton, all day cotton to make this one. Just this lace look for the summer. Let us start making it.
Here I made 43 chains.
Then I am going to turn and make a half double crochet in the second chain from hook. Now I'm going to make a half double crochet all across. That will give a nice lengthwise edging. So go ahead and finish the half double crochet all across, and we will start with the next row then. Now I finished my half double crochets all across and it looks like this. Now I'm going to chain 2. It is not considered as a stitch, so I'm going to make a 1 half double crochet, 2 second half double crochet, and the third half double crochet. The first 3 chains. Then I'm going to skip the next 2 chains. I'm going to work another half double crochet in there, then chain 2. Now we are going to make a puff stitch. Yarn over hook, insert the hook, bring up a loop, yarn over hook, insert the hook, bring up a loop, yarn over hook, insert the hook, bring up a loop. Now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 loops on the hook, and yarn over hook and go through all the 7 loops on the hook and lock that one with the chain. Now skip 2, then make 1 half double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches, 2 and 3. Now skip the 2 stitches, make a half double crochet in there. Now make chain 2, then make puff stitch. Now yarn over hook, go through all the 7 loops, then lock that one in, then skip next 2, then make 1 half double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Now skip the next 2 stitches and make a half double crochet, chain 2, make a puff stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches, make a 1 half double crochet each on the next 3 stitches. Now go ahead and finish all the way up to here. Now I'm going to make chain 2 and I'm going to make a single crochet in that chain 2 space, then chain 2, then making half double crochet in each of the next 3 half double crochets. One, 2 chains and single crochet in the chain 2 space, then chain 2, making half double crochets. Half double crochet, not double crochet. Okay, so repeat this one, repeat this pattern all across, and we will change the color. Now we we are going to change the yarn color in the last stitch over here. So 1, 2, and the third I'm going to put it here, not on that chain 2, the last half double crochet, and I'm going to finish that half double crochet with the new color. Put it on your hook. Now we successfully changed the yarn color. Then chain 2, again turn the work, make 1 half double crochet in the first stitch, 1 in the next one, and the 1 in the next one. Now we make a half double crochet in that chain 1. This is row 1 of the pattern. Then making a puff stitch. A yarn over hook and go through all the 7 loops, lock with this chain. Then skip these 2 stitches, then making the half double crochets. So we are going to repeat this row, then we'll repeat the second row of chain 2 and half double crochets till we get the desired width. You will find this easy to finish, and it is a very quick pattern. It has a great texture. If you like this patterns, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will add the pattern in the PDF format in my coffee shop. Starting payment as $1. If you like to have it on the go, you can have that PDF pattern. If you are preparing for the markets, headbands are one of the quickest projects to finish. If you, in case you wanted to give it as a gift, this can be finished in no time at all. Then again chain 3 at the end, chain 2 at the end of the row, then make a 1 half double crochet in each of the first 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Then it is the chain 2. We are going to make a single crochet on top of this chain 2 space, then again making the half double crochets. When you finish making this, we will meet again because we are going to make the tie for this one. Now we are in the last stitch of these 2 rows. Then we can change the color again since it is right here. Just grab the color and bring it over the hook and finish that half double crochet. Tighten this one a little bit. Okay. Then chain 2, turn and work just like before. When it is finished, we are going to use these sides to make the tie, so this is going to be okay. Now I am finished that row as well. Now I am going to chain 2 turn and make half double crochet all across. Then we are going to make the edging. No, I am going to make a half double crochet all across. Then we are going to start making the tie. Now we finished the half double crochets. Now chain one. Then we are going to make a single crochet all across. Make sure you are going to have odd number of single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and the last one is 13. Now yarn over hook, and not in this stitch but in this stitch we are going to make double crochet. Make double crochets all across, but once it is here, don't make it here, go to make it here. We skip this one and going to the last stitch. Now again the same way, yarn over hook, not in the first stitch but in the second stitch, go all the way across. We will have 9 double crochets, and then decreasing just like this one, you will get into 1 double crochet. Then you make some chains. It is like I usually make 20 chains. Then leave it like that, or you can make a flower at the end. I'll show you how. So 20 chains are made. Then I'm going to make another 3 more chains. Then I'm going to 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 4th chain from hook, we are going to make 3 double crochet. Chain 3, make a slip stitch in the center chain. Chain 3 again, then make a 1, 2, 3 more double crochet. Then chain 3. Now make 3 more petals the same way. Now I made only 5 petals. Now I will chain 1 and slip stitch to that chain stitches, slip stitch all the way back to the beginning here. If you like, you can add a bead in the center. Now make the tie in the other end and we are done. Now I finished making the tie. It looks like this.